Hey, we're still at CES 2018, and I just finished the best demo of the show. It's not a curved TV, it's not 8K, it is, wait for it, Creative Labs' new Super X-Fi technology that they're calling basically holography for your ears. The demo I did, we modeled by putting microphones in the ears, then we modeled it, the entire room, using a Dolby Atmos 5.1.2 system. Then we listened to clips from that multi-$1,000 reference speaker, ELAC reference speakers, and compared them to just headphones with what will eventually go into a little tiny dongle. And it just floors you. You could take the headphones off, listening to, again, a 3,000 or 4,000 Dolby Atmos system, and put the headphones on, and it would sound just as good. In fact, for my ears, I gotta say, it sounded better. And I think that's because it's tough to get that kind of good audio in a room like this at CES. So not optimal for the speakers. At the same time, most people's homes are not best for it. Headphones, though, are their own rooms around your ears. How exactly does the technology work? They are basically putting some kind of magical modeling into the Super X-Fi chip that makes audio that sounds normally pretty flat good to make it sound like you're sitting in the front row of a concert. It really did sound as good as reference speakers on a Dolby Atmos system with just headphones.
And how does it work? Do you just plug it in?
So how does it work? It will work by just simply plugging it in. They're gonna have, you'll plug it into your phone. The other end could probably go into a standard 3.5 millimeter jack. They're saying spec product, amazingly, about 150 bucks sometime this summer. The demo again I did, we actually used microphones plugged into the ear to build profiles of how my actual head, ears, and all the fat in my head sounds. That is sort of the pinnacle of what they eventually want to get to. For now though, they're gonna say, you're gonna buy this thing, we're gonna have an application on your phone. You take pictures of your ear canals, both sides, your big fat face, and then they have algorithms that will match up with your head, your bone shape, and your ears. Not gonna be as good as modeling with the microphones, but they're saying they're gonna be able to achieve 85% of what they're doing by modeling with the microphones in ear. And I gotta say, if they can hit 85% of what I just heard, it's gonna be a steal at $150. I personally can't wait to get this product this summer.